yung sinabi niyang bad shot ito, seriously, ang sandali lang, sino ka to say that to the Vice President who was elected? And then sinabi niya, the President has been helping you. Again, ang tanong ko, seriously, she will insert herself into the frame, in the national discussion. Kasi wala siyang mandato. Hindi siya nahalal. Asawa lamang siya ng Pangulo.
Salin pusa.
Oo. So kung inalaw ba ito ng Pangulo? Yun ang tanong ko. Kung inalaw ng Pangulo, sandali lang, bakit sa asawa mo ang spokesperson mo? You are not expected to enjoy. You are expected to work and help the President. Ang sandali lang, sino ka to say that to the Vice President who was elected?
Sige!